Welcome back, student. Today I am going to explain chapter 7, half of the profit. You see, half of the profit. Once a king decided to celebrate his 50th birthday grandly. He made up his mind to give a royal feast to all his friends. On the occasion, he invited all the neighboring kings and noblemen. He ordered a grand feast to be prepared in the royal palace. As once a king decided to celebrate his 50th birthday grandly. Means celebrate means as to prepare for a function. Celebrate means to prepare for a function. Grandly means in very good way. In very good way. So one time there was a king. He decided to celebrate means as make a great function to celebrate his birthday party in the very good way as in the memorable event. So after that he made up his mind to give a royal feast to all his friends. So he prepared his mind as to serve a very different feast as to serve to his friends. So royal feast means as making the different variety of food as to serve to his friend. On the occasion, he invited all the neighboring kings and nobles. So on this occasion means on this function, for this function means as celebrating as he had to celebrate 15th birthday and in the good way, very memorable way. So he invited his neighboring kings, those kings who were nearer to that kingdom. So he invited the kings and noblemen. Noblemen means as like that landlord, very landlord person related to kings. So noblemen were related to kings. They were officers. They were officers to king. So he invited neighboring kings and some special officers that were related to the king. He ordered a grand feast to be prepared in the royal palace. For this, he ordered grand feast. So very special food he ordered to serve as to be prepared in the royal palace. So in this way, he wanted to celebrate his birthday as in the memorable day, memorable event. That in the memory of the friends, it would be always keep a good place. So in this way, he wanted to celebrate his birthday as 50th birthday. 50th birthday means as 50. So in this way, the king prepared himself. After that, unfortunately, on the previous night of the royal feast, there was a severe storm. As a result, no fishermen could go out into the sea to catch fish. The following morning, too, the sea was too rough to go for fishing. Therefore, on that day, there was no fish in the market. The king's stewards searched everywhere for fresh fish, but no fish was available. They returned to the palace and reported the matter to the king. My lord, the chief steward said, my lord, we could not get any fish. We shall have the feast without fish. So in this paragraph, it is given how the king wanted to manage the special food, the special feast, royal feast for the birthday party, and how the stewards stepped to manage the feast. See, unfortunately, on the previous night of the royal feast, means before one day, or previous day, it came severe storm. It came severe sea storm. Severe storm. For this, in this way, as you know, he wanted to serve the royal feast to his friend, to other kings, but at a result, no fisherman could go out into the sea. Means storm was so hard, so fast, so severe. So due to storm, no fishermen went into the oceans, went into the sea, went into the river as to catch fish. They didn't go. Means fishermen didn't go. They didn't go into the sea for catching fish. In this way, the following morning too, the sea was too rough to go for fishing. Before one day, the morning, means the same day of the birthday, in morning, the sea was not good for fishing. The effect of storm was also that time. So in this way, fishermen were not able to catch fish that morning also. Therefore, on that day, there was no fish in the market. The stewards went to the market also, but they didn't find any fish for the party. So after that, no fish was available in the market. After that, they returned to the palace, means king's home. Palace means king's home is known as palace, royal palace, related to kings or queen. After that, they returned and reported to the king. They told, means one of the stewards. Out of stewards, there were many men, but they were managing the food. So out of the stewards, all stewards, one leader stewards told to the king, "O king, there is no fish in the market because it was storm, severe storm. By this way, no fishermen went into the sea as catching fish. In market also, there is no fish. So, how can we manage as great fish?" So, they told, means, I mean, the feast without fish. Steward told, the feast without fish. So, feast, you know, is special invitation. Feast means, you know, special invitation. For party, you can say for party. So, in this way, stewards didn't get any fish to celebrate the party. So today, you study this paragraph 1 and 2, and also you understand the word meaning. If you feel difficulty in word meaning, what I told, you repeat the video and you also search the words in your dictionary for today's class.